Good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? Today, my question for you is, what DIY tasks do you do? I know I have quite a few friends on here that actually uh, do their own tiling work. They rip out walls and completely redo their houses. I'm friends with a couple builders on here that do it from start to finish. And then I also know that some of us live in townhouses or places with HOAs to where everything is taken care of. Maybe you just change a light bulb and that not. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just curious where you guys are on the spectrum. I personally, when I started with home ownership and then later owning rental property, I did not know much. I had to learn quite a bit as far as locks, toilets, obviously painting and cleaning, light fixtures, faucets, that type of thing. I actually do a lot less of that right now. I found that instead of me doing those things after work, being unskilled in it, taking 2 or 3 times as long, I could actually better serve my clients if I can hire some of those things out. So that's what I do right now. So I actually don't do a ton of DIY stuff. So hopefully you guys don't judge me too harshly on that. But I'm dealing every single day with people that are handyman, carpenters, electricians, plumbers, that type of thing. So have a lot of respect for the tradesmen, and even those of you that aren't actually in a specific skilled labor as far as the trades. I'm curious, what do you guys do for DIY around your house? So go ahead and comment below. I would love to hear what you guys do. So have a good day.